Given that the heights of Canadian women are normally distributed with a mean of 159.5 centimeters and a standard deviation of 7.1 centimeters, calculate the z-scores for the following pieces of data. Notice that we're saying only two pieces of data, a mean and a standard deviation. And remember, a couple of pages ago we talked about the mean and the standard deviation being all you needed to completely define a normal distribution. And that's true. And so now we can use that information about our population, and we can find the z-scores for some particular people's heights and see where they compare to our mean. So let's try that out. So this is the heights of Canadian women, and this is the mean and the standard deviation, and this is a piece of data. So it looks like since it's the heights of the women, we're actually talking about the population parameters. So I'm just going to write population. And because it's population, I'll use the z-score formula that includes the population parameters. So x minus mu over sigma. And remember, it doesn't matter that much if you can't identify which z-score formula to use, because they both work the same. So whatever your mean is goes here, and whatever your standard deviation is goes here. So for this particular person, z is 148.2 minus 159.5, that's the mu, over 7.1, and that's the sigma. And so when I go to calculate, I have 148.2 minus 159.5 equals, I get negative 11.3. And should it really be negative? Yes, remember we can have z-scores that are negative or to the left of the mean. So it's just saying this person's height is less than average, and the average is 159.5. It looks like it is less than average. So that doesn't really surprise me that we got a negative. So I'm just going to write down an intermediate step, negative 11.3 divided by 7.1. And it's sitting on my calculator, negative 11.3, so I'll just do divide by 7.1 equals, and remember z-scores, we'd like to round to the 2 decimal places, so I have negative 1.59, let me double check, the next digit's a 1, so I'll leave it as 1.59. So my z-score, that's all I'm asked to do for this person. What that means is a person with a height of 148.2 is 1.59, not quite 2, not quite 1, but halfway about. So negative 1.59 standard deviations away from the mean. And if I were to draw my distribution,